For problem number 3, what do we want to find? We want to find the price of an adult ticket and the price of a child ticket. And so if you remember, key step here is to define our variables. So let A equal the adult ticket price, and then the C equals the child ticket price. Child ticket price. Once we have that, we can identify the two equations. So we have day 1 ticket sales. They sold 10 adult tickets and 3 child tickets for a total of $45. So 1 adult ticket costs $a, and 10 adult tickets cost 10 times A. So 10 times A would be the number of the amount of money raised by selling adult tickets. And then if you add to that the 3 child tickets, 3 times C is the amount of money raised for the child tickets. They raised a total of $45. And so if you take the amount of money from the adult tickets plus the amount of money from the child tickets, you get $45. Then the next day, on the second day, they took in $39 by selling 8 adult tickets. So 8 times A is the amount of money raised by selling 8 adult tickets. And then 3 child tickets. So they sold 8 adult, 3 child for $39. And so those are our two equations. Once we have two equations with two unknown variables, we can easily solve for one of those variables, and then we can substitute in to solve for the other one. Now, we could subtract here, and it actually would be a pretty easy thing to do, is to subtract, because we're not going to get any negative numbers. But what I like to do is change all the signs and add. So we're going to change all the signs of the terms in the second equation by basically multiplying each of those terms by -1, and then we can just add. We see the minus signs there. It helps us to remember what we're doing. 10A minus 8A is 2A. 3C plus -3C, or 3C minus 3C, that's 0. And then 45 minus 39 is 6. So that was I think we had this acronym: multiply, add, divide. So that's the divide step, and then substitute. So if we remember that, then we have A equals, so the 2's cancel, so we have A equals 3. So the adult ticket price is $3. And if we take that and substitute in 3 into the original, one of the original equations, we'll take the 8A one. So we'll take 8A plus 3C equals 39, and we'll substitute in 3 for that A right there. So we have 8 times 3 plus 3C equals 39. And if we multiply 8 times 3, we get 24. 24 plus 3C equals 39. We're going to subtract 24 from both sides. And we're going to get 3C, I'm running out of room here, 3C equals 15. And so if we take our 3C equals 15 and divide both sides by 3, we're going to get C equals 5. So C equals 5, so therefore adult ticket price and child ticket price, adults have to pay more, adults have to pay less, $3 per ticket, and the child has to pay $5 a ticket. Kind of a lame problem, but nevertheless, that never happens. Adults always have to pay more. And maybe these are senior adults. So there you go. Oh, I didn't really see that.